Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best Halloween mouse ears you can get your hands on this season. If you're looking to add a touch of festive fun and spooky charm to your Halloween outfit, this Halloween mouse ears headband by BPNHNA is definitely worth checking out. Right off the bat, this headband stands out with its vibrant orange sequin mouse ears that shimmer and catch the light beautifully. Each ear features an adorable pumpkin detail that perfectly captures the spirit of Halloween. Sitting between the ears is a large orange crystal set in a bow, adding that extra sparkle and making the whole look pop with festive energy. The design is three-dimensional, giving it a lively and eye-catching presence, whether you're at a party or just out and about celebrating the season. One of the things you'll appreciate about this headband is its comfortable fit. It's fully wrapped in a smooth grosgrain ribbon, which not only looks neat but also feels soft against your head. The ends of the headband are wrapped as well, ensuring there's no discomfort behind your ears even after hours of wear. Plus, it's designed to stay put and not slip easily, so you can move around freely without worrying about adjusting it constantly. This headband isn't just a cute accessory, it's a versatile one too. It complements a wide range of Halloween costumes and party outfits. Whether you're dressing up for a spooky-themed event, a Day of the Dead celebration, or just want to add some playful Halloween spirit to your look, this headband fits right in. It can also be paired with other hair accessories like clips or scrunchies for an even more festive hairstyle. The classic Halloween colors and motifs, pumpkins, ghosts, skulls, and bats, are all cleverly incorporated into the design, making it a perfect way to showcase your holiday enthusiasm. It instantly adds a fun and festive vibe to any gathering, helping to create that joyful Halloween atmosphere. In terms of size and weight, the headband is lightweight, so it won't weigh you down or cause headaches, and it measures about 8.66 by 8.19 by 1.14 inches, making it a comfortable fit for most head sizes. Overall, the Halloween mouse ears headband by BPNHNA combines style, comfort, and festive spirit seamlessly. If you want a simple yet striking accessory that brings out the Halloween fun while being easy and comfortable to wear all day long, this headband is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.